Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 on Windows 10. So, we will install the Community Edition, which is free. Let us begin. At first, we will go to the browser on Google, type Visual Studio 2022 and press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible here. Click on it. Now click on download. You can see Visual Studio 2022 Community version. Now after downloading, open installer. Started, click on continue. Now it will download and install. Let's wait. So the setup started. Here you can see the workloads are visible. So I will directly click here .NET Desktop Development, which is what I want on clicking. You should have a good internet connection to download this, and after the installation is completed, open Visual Studio and create first project. I am creating window form project. Click next, write project name and choose path here. Now click on create. Project has been created. Now follow these steps. Adjust all components. Change label name and button name also. Start project. Here is output. Thanks for watching.